Okay, this video is going to walk you through updating the race results page, something that you'll be doing fairly often. So we are logged into the site. We are at our main menu here with pages on the left and on our home page. So the first thing we're going to want to do is set up our new race page. So we're going to click on pages. And we're going, instead of starting from scratch, we're going to copy last year's page, which should work in almost all cases. You might just have to change the title if necessary. So for example, we're going to start with the icicle race. And we have an icicle page from 2017. So I've navigated down here to the not linked section because these individual pages are not appearing in our main navigation as an individual page. They're of course linked from the results page, but that's why they are here in the not linked section. So we're going to hover over the icicle results from 2017, and we're going to click on our little gear. And it's going to open this dialog box for the page itself. And what we want to do is go here to the bottom and we want to say duplicate page. It's going to ask us if we're sure that we want to do that and just hit confirm. And what it's going to do is automatically give us a copy of that page, and it keeps it here in the not linked section, which is great. So we don't see that pop up here in our navigation. We're going to rename the page. So I would obviously be consistent here. I'm just going to call this 2018 icicle results, and then I'm going to hit enter or return. And now I have a copy of my page. But of course, we have old information here, and we want to use this for our 2018 results. So we're going to hover over the page, and we see here we get our page content, and we're going to say edit. So I'm going to keep this consistent and say 2018 icicle 5K results. I'm going to just delete or hit remove here on the link for awards. And because I'm not sure if we're going to have those right now or not, we're going to deal with that in a second. And I can leave this text just as it is. And now I need to delete last year's results. So I'm just going to hover over the table and hit the delete key and say yes. So now I have a blank page for 2018. Now it's time to add the new results. So if I come over here to the left, I get my little insertion bubble. I'm going to click on my bubble and I'm going to choose table. Now, before I get to this point, I want to make sure I have my results saved and ready to go in a file. And again, those results need to be in a CSV format. And this part is super simple. So we're going to scroll down here a little bit. We want to make sure we check two different buttons here, our use mobile styles and our use table sorting. We want those both to be checked. Then we're going to click on import. We're going to find our CSV file. So this is just a test example. So I'm using old results, find my file and click open. And it's going to pop in my new results. How beautiful is that? If I need to manually change something, I can do that by clicking here in the table. Otherwise, I'm good to go. And I simply hit apply. And now we have our 2018 results on our new 2018 page. We want to click save. And we have one last step, and that's to put this page in the right place. So we have a 2018 race results folder. We're going to click on icicle results, and we're going, oops, sorry about that. We're going to click on the 2018, now it's all the way down here at the bottom. We're going to click on that, and we're going to, oh man, I'm having some trouble here. Sorry about that. We're going to simply drag it up to the folder, if we can get that to work. Well, I'm having a little trouble with my mouse. You should just be able to click on that page just like any other page. We'll just kind of show you with the event list. If I click, well, I'm getting all kinds of trouble on that. So I apologize for that being here in the training video, but we basically just want to click on it and drag it here to the folder. That's going to put it in the right spot. Now, that document, that page is still not linked in the navigation. So our final step would be to go to our 2018 race results page, which is under our main navigation. We want to again click on I'm getting quite the error here for some reason. We went to click on edit, and we're going to highlight this race. We're going to click on our link button, and we're going to link that to the page we just created, which again is going to be probably here all the way. Oops. There we go, 2018 Icicle results, and save. And so now when folks are on the 2018 race results page, they're going to click on the race name, and there's the page we just created. So that is how you add the race results to your new website.